Hey everyone, we are here at the Hilton Head Island. We're staying at the Westin Hotel in the Vice Presidential Room. Let me show you around. Here we are on the Hilton Head Island. This is the Westin Hotel and this is the Vice Presidential Room. This is the first bathroom. This is the living room area. Oh wow, it's so big and beautiful. And guess how many balconies are in here? That's balcony number 1. This is the living room area with my teddy bear in there. Balcony number 2. I think you can see the beach from over there, like a little far away. This is again dining room, living room. This thing is huge. And here we are, balcony number 2. I think you can see the beach a little bit. Yes. And you know, the fridge and the sink. It's like a little kitchenette area. And here we are, the room. I mean, the bed. It's right here. This is like the actual room. I mean, right there. And another balcony. Balcony number 3. This thing has 3 balconies. So beautiful. Hey babe, let's go to the closet. Ready. It has a walk-in closet with enough space that you can sleep in there. Oh, he's so tired. We've been driving for like 4 hours. Well, he's been driving. And this is the bathroom. With a little vanity over there. Oh, I mean, it's a big space. Another toilet. Double sink. And this, I guess, makeup mirror. This double sink. And the beautiful jacuzzi right there. The shower. Everything is huge in here. So beautiful. I hope you like this tour, and this hotel is a really good option if you're like in a romantic getaway. The reason we're doing it is because we're celebrating 7 years together. This is a very nice hotel, and I hope you guys like this room.